Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning into the channel today. Today we'll be installing the Arizon car seat covers for F150 2022 model. And so I just picked it up the set. It came in this big zipper bag. And we'll just look at one piece, keep it really quick and simple, guys, right? We just want to get to the point. So this is the rear seat cover. The quality feels really good. It's PU leather, it's not real, but it feels really good. It has a good grip to it. It feels nice. The stitching is very beautiful. It doesn't look like there's one thread loose. I've removed my headrest this morning. Now the back seat headrests are these ones here. We have 3 of them, and you simply put them on top and then use these buckles to fold it over like so. Alright, so as you guys saw, there's 2 buttons on the side here, 2 clips. You just push those in together and then lift the headrest up. So these are the clips. ABS plastic material. Separate the elastic. Slide one end in, rotate. Slide one through it, one side in and let it go, and then it hooks in there nice and snug. You can let it go. One more for the other side. Separate, insert, separate and insert, and we got both on. Now we're going to insert these clips on the back side of the seat bottom. So we're going to pull the bottom pin apart here, or the clamp. They go on to the back of the seat like so, and then once you are complete, you will connect it to the front seat cover. So let's just move on to the back side of the passenger seat. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we brought the seat cover out. We flopped it on top of the seat, and then we pushed the circular objects behind and under, and then we took one of these straps here using one of the silver connections and hooked it underneath here, and we tucked it in. We still have to tuck this side in a little bit more, and then we'll take you over to the back seat. Put the seat cover on. You'll notice that on this model it comes with this Velcro here. So what you want to do is you're just going to pull this part off, and then you'll see it has a sticky part here, and then you just tuck it and you just bend it under the seat, and it attaches to the bottom of the red and black stitched one for the driver's seat and passenger seat front. Alright guys, so this is my 2022 F150. Gorgeous. So it came with a cloth dark charcoal seats. I bought it in December, and yesterday I picked up some seat covers. So here's the final result of the seat cover install that we did. I think it looks gorgeous. It totally complements the colors of the truck. And we'll show you the back seat here. So again, thanks for watching. These are the seat covers that we installed yesterday. PU leather, it's not real leather. They're waterproof. They look fantastic. I'm really happy with just over $100 Canadian. And yeah, I think it makes the truck look pretty sick. You can't even tell from a distance that it's a seat cover or fake leather or anything like that. But if you like what you see, guys, it's pretty good. It takes a little while to install, but I'd totally recommend it if you just want to get a different look for your F-150. So ladies and gentlemen, it's very comfortable. The seats are very comfortable. There's no issues with them. They have a nice textured grip to it, and yeah, I like it. It looks really good, right?